and welcome back to my channel. That's so stupid. Why do I do that? Anyways, oh my god, there's a car stuck out there. Anyways, I know that it's been like a long time since I've been on here. It's just me not having the motivation or anything like that, but recently I got some new products, so I was like dying to try those out, and that helped a lot. I didn't buy them, like I didn't purchase them myself, I got them in a giveaway actually, so thanks for that. But yeah, anyways, that really inspired me to actually sit down and do something, because I wanted to try some of these products out. And the products was, for example, the mascara, the highlight, and the bronzer, and also the lipstick. I think that's them, yeah. Anyways, if you want to see how to do this pretty look, just keep on watching. So right now I've got a face oil on. This is so weird. It's been so long. Yeah, I've got a face oil on, so I think I will be trying out the stick foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It hasn't worked for me before, but that's because I'm so freaking dry. So I thought I'd give it a try now that I've got some oil on, to see if it helps. Maybe I'll just, oh my god, start with a little bit. Kind of. I wish I had a beauty blender. I think that would be easier, but I don't own one at the moment. All of mine were busted, so I just got rid of them. All of them. All of them. I didn't have that many, but you know. Well, it didn't really work the way I had hoped it would, because I am just so dry. So it is clinging to all of my little dry patches. It's just not looking very attractive. But yeah, it is not looking good. But that's okay. I'm just going to go in with a teeny tiny bit of concealer, and this is the Milessis Active Eyelight concealer. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that, under my eye. And next I'm going in with my Wonder Powder from Makeup Store, and this is in the color Nevada. I don't think I'll put it all over my face since it's already so dry. I don't want to make it look any worse right now, so I'm just gonna set my under eyes. So I think, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows out. I don't know how to talk. It's been so long since I did this. Like so. These actually look a bit dark right now that I've got such light hair, but it's what we got, so I'm working with what I got. Like most people. I guess we'll start with the eyes, which I am terrified to do right now. So I will be going in with the Anger Mood crayon from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, and I will attempt to put this on my upper lid, like all of it, I guess. And the thought is to just use it as like a base. So I will be going in with some shadow over top. I think I'll go in with the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And maybe I will go in with red ochre to begin with. And put like in the outer portion. I don't know. You know, I'm just making it up as I go. Something like that. And I think next I'm just gonna go back in with the crayon and put it in my lower waterline and on below my lower waterline. And I think next I will be going in with the Metallic Mysteries 2, like second edition by Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. And I will be going in with Arcturus, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this beautiful red. And I will be putting this on, I think basically my whole lid, maybe? I think so. Like so. Maybe I will go in with a wet brush as well. I think I have to powder my face after all, because this foundation is not for me. Just keeps on moving if it is touched. But this will warm up my face a little bit because there are some yellow elements in this powder. You can like already see that this side is way warmer than this one. And I thought for my inner corner I would try this powdered sugar highlighter from NYX Professional Makeup. No, it's an illuminating powder in the color powdered sugar. So I'm gonna try and put this in my inner corner. I don't know which brush is like best for this, but I'll take like a small lip brush. This is like gold and pink. thought it'll look nice with this look. Just gonna put it a bit up into that little, it's almost like the start of a cut crease right there. So I like want to put it into that little thing, and that looks pretty. I think that's a super pretty color. Moving on. I thought I'd try this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. However, this isn't a deep bronzer, so you know, it's probably a very bad color for me, but it's so pretty, so I really want to try it. And it smells like coconuts. I kind of like that, but I kind of don't. I'm taking like the smallest amount one could possibly take. That is so pretty though. That looks okay. So we're gonna go with that. And I don't have like any blushes or anything, so I will be going in with the Infinity palette by Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. Can you tell I have a thing for that brand? And I will be going in with Andromeda as I usually do. And for highlight, I will be going in with that illuminating powder again from NYX Professional Makeup in Powdered Sugar. Like so. And right, for mascara, I will be using the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. Right, it's Benefit. So this isn't matte like I thought that I would use, but I will be using the Linda Hallberg Cosmetics Fantastic, and I can't remember the name of the color, but I'll write it there. So I will be putting this on. Like so. And now I will, I guess, fix this thing and I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. Obviously very red, but I have no problem with that since I love a darker look. My hair is looking like a catastrophe. I am not used to lipsticks like this, like a bit glossy and you get stuck in it and it's nasty. Which is why I always wear mattes, because I just don't like the feeling of wetness on my lips, if that's a thing. But I know that this has SPF in it, and also it's quite moisturizing for your lips, so I will try and stick this out today. I will do my best. But yeah, this is the finished look. I thought it turned out very cute. What do you think? Yeah. Anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought about this video or what you want to see in a future video. And I hope that I will see you very soon again. Bye!